Hey everyone, I just wanted to do a quick video thrown together from a job that we were on yesterday where we wired up a house for whole home Wi-Fi, as well as we took one of the rooms that's going to be a media room and wired it for 5.1 surround. Again, like I said, it's not going to be a long video. I just wanted to grab some footage and share with you guys what we did, and I'll talk you through it as we go. So if you're interested in seeing something like this, then stick around. Okay, we're looking at a 14 by 28 structured media panel that we installed weeks ago. The electrician ran some cables to the TV, both coax and Cat5e, as well as to the outside for the ISP. Now we have cable ISP and fiber ISP in this area. The customers usually go with the fiber ISP, and if we take a look outside, you'll see where the wires go. They usually install an ONT, which is an optical network termination box that hands off to copper. From that panel, we ran a cable out to the main living area for a Unify Wi-Fi 6 Pro. That'll be the main AP. We just leave it tacked up for now. We'll punch through after the sheetrock goes in. Again, from the panel, we ran all the way across through the main living area to the back corner of the house to the outside lanai area. We're going to mount a U6 light here. It should take care of the entire lanai in the master bedroom area as well. Here we did put in a box because it'll be a little tight to get up there to punch the wire through after the sheetrock is installed. Here we're running to the back right corner of the house into the media room. We're running a cable for another U6 light that'll serve Wi-Fi to the back corner of this house and some of the guest bedrooms. And again, we just have it tacked up. We're going to be able to get up in the attic and poke it through again after the sheetrock installation is done. We're moving our way into the office, and we just added a drop that we're leaving rolled up in the ceiling for future use. We're not quite sure if we're going to need an additional access point at this time, and I don't think we will. In the room that the customer is going to use as a media room, we ran speaker cabling for front and rear surround. We don't know exactly where the speakers are going to be located yet on the wall, so we ran enough cabling loosely tacked so that when we have the definite locations, we can just cut in our boxes and reach in and grab the cabling fairly easily. As we move to the back of the room, you'll see that we fire stopped and nail stopped everything to meet code and protect the cabling. We're not going to run cabling for the center speaker at this point in time or the subwoofer, and I'll explain why toward the end of the video. And here you can see finally we installed an 1.5-inch flex conduit in-wall chase in the master bedroom. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed those clips. You got a chance to spend some time on the job with me and my partner Gary. As far as that back media room is concerned, we only ran the front left and right speakers and the rear left and right surround speaker cabling. We didn't install the center speaker cable because we didn't have the dimensions on the speaker, nor do we know the actual size of the TV that's going to be installed. So placement was an issue, but there is a center in-wall chase. So once we get all that information, we'll be able to just run the center speaker wire through that in-wall chase. Not a big deal. And as far as the subwoofer, the customer requested that we did not run anything in-wall for the subwoofer because he wants the ability and the flexibility to maybe move it from left to right in the front of the room, or even put it in the back of the room using a wireless module. So anyway, that said, I hope you liked the video. And if you did, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Be sure to check out some of the other videos I have listed here up above. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. And I want to thank you, as I do in every video, for using my Amazon affiliate links. I know they don't change your price, but they do help out the channel. And if you'd like to support the channel in other ways, I do have links to buy me a coffee down below, as well as a link to my PayPal page. Once again, my name is Tony with Quick Tech Solutions. As always, please stay safe. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.